First, connect the GODIAG BMW CAS1, CAS2 MEC key test platform, and VVDI2. Then turn on the power supply. Take out a blank key and insert it into the ECU key port. The key pops out. It means this key is not paired. Next, start adding this key. First, open the VVDI software on the computer. Select BMW. Click Connect. Click Read KM to read the mileage. Click Read Code to read the code data. Click Read EEPROM to read EEPROM data. Click Save to File to save the EEPROM data to the desktop. Click Key Learn. Click CAS2 Learn. Click Connect. Then click Get Key Info. Choose a blank key. Click Prepare Dealer Key with Programmer. Follow the prompts to put the key into VVDI2. After prompting that the key is successfully generated, click OK. Finally, test whether the key is generated successfully. Click Add Key. After writing the key to CAS, start testing whether the key is generated successfully. Insert the generated key into the ECU key port. The key does not pop up and is generated successfully.